everybody, and welcome to Hello Vegan Bee. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and Christmas is just around the corner. More and more people are thinking about how they can make this time less wasteful and more kind to the planet. That is why I'm going to be showing you how I am going to be wrapping my gifts in a more eco-friendly way. This year, instead of wrapping paper, which sometimes has plastic in it, making it really difficult to recycle, I will be using mainly newspaper, colored tissue, and paper from previous gifts. Plus some more creative wrapping materials, but we'll get to that later. I think that these methods look really beautiful and creative, and it's biodegradable, which is a big plus. For this particular gift, rather than using plastic sticky tape, I am using paper-based art tape. This stuff is great because when you take it off, it's less likely to rip the paper than normal tape, so you can just reuse the paper over and over. After that, the present will be bound together either using a ribbon, which I've saved from previous gifts, or paper twine. I simply just wrap it around, like so, and then tie it in a bow at the top. There is something really organic about the way this looks, and I absolutely love it. The next way you can wrap a present in a more eco-friendly way is by wrapping something in another present. For example, a scarf or a clothing item. There is no tape necessary for this, and there's no excess paper. As you can see, I am simply wrapping my present within the scarf and then tying a ribbon around it to secure it. This third one that I'm showing you, I'm calling my toilet roll cracker. Simply put the present inside a toilet roll and put shredded paper in each side to fill it out and also to make the present not move around so much. After that, wrap your paper of choice around it and tie the ends to make it into a cracker shape. This is so cute, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. Here you can see me wrapping my yoga block. And that's just to give you an example of the shape. I'm simply wrapping it in colored tissue paper and then tying it firmly around with two ribbons, which are joined with a knot at the top. Finally, put all of the gifts into a gift bag. I also like putting them in fabric bags, but I just didn't have any to hand when making this video. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Find me at helloveganbee on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and go check out helloveganbee.com for more tips on living an eco, happy, and healthy life. Thank you very much. Happy holidays. Bye.